We've got the recipes from the diners and the steakhouses, from parents and grandparents and the old neighborhood grill expert, and we're bringing those recipes to you. This is ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook. Old Neighborhood Cooking and ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook, are brought to you by the KP Productions Video Team, the DLC Media Group, and Cup Sound Studios, in cooperation with Busted Pipe Productions. Research, legal, and professional services provided by Firm of Cups, Portuese, Buffa, and Paraskevich. You're watching KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest. Qigong and Tai Chi forms have been practiced for thousands of years as means of achieving and maintaining positive health through the unobstructed flow of life's energy, Qi. Join us now as we present the therapeutic Qigong forms developed by Gary P. KPBP TV is proud to offer you Morning Energy Qigong. Volunteering gives you a variety of ways to contribute your time and talent in a way that really matters to people who need it most, with people who appreciate everything you do. One reason to volunteer at Amita Health St. Mary's Hospital is to help other people. Hospitals exist to improve or maintain patients' health. So what you do to help is, directly or indirectly, making people healthier and improving their lives. There are positions open now in several facilities around the Kankakee area. Gift shop, escorting, information, patient services. If you have 4 hours to give to your community, please consider volunteering at Amita Health St. Mary's Hospital. Contact the Regional Volunteer Services Office now. You'll be glad you did.